Yeah, my stream is on.
Bitcoin price is still looking good. Hello, good morning, everybody. Nice to see you again. Today is Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
What's the date now? It's 11th
Uh,
June.
11th June.
We are more than half. We are 11 days past the half of this year.
Yeah.
So I hope
Good
that
morning, everyone, too. Uh, yeah. It's we are going to the June. Yeah, it's a half of 2025, and we have a lot of good information. Yeah, good news. Last week, Bitcoin price go to near 100,000. Yeah, we see here this data from last week. Bitcoin hit one the low is around 100,000. Yeah, 100,000 last week on the 6th of June, 6th of June, and now today we reached uh, near 110. Yeah, maybe another 80s of the Bitcoin again. The next ATS all-time high of the Bitcoin. Some people expect around 120, yeah, or 60, 15. I also don't know. Yeah, so we also can expect it. Yeah. Back to our live stream, we have some of the information, the data, yeah, uh, about the Bitcoin signal, uh, possible major rebound ahead. Yeah, based on some the data of the crypto Bitcoin. Bitcoin monthly RSI entering oversold territory. Historical, this signals strong bullish momentum ahead. Rebound phase may follow in the coming month. Yeah, that's a data so that we are going to the. Some people say that like macro strategy. He said that May Michael Saylor, he said the winter of the Bitcoin may is over. It means now is a time for Bitcoin is uh, keep
now
moving.
it's spring. Winter
Yeah,
is over. Now it's spring period. Yeah?
yeah. It's spring now. We go to the summer too. Yeah, Bitcoin is so hot this day. Yeah, uh, we uh, how about the ETS? Yeah, with the Nicholas, you
Oh,
want
3.7K.
yeah.
That looks good. Uh, I've been hoping it to quickly pass 4K.
Yeah.
So now that it hits 3.7K, I think it seems like a lot of things are on track towards a bull run. Yeah, because
Yeah,
this bull run is very, very important for a lot of investors, big and small. In fact, for a lot of people like us, we we are not institution, we are individuals, and when we invest in Bitcoin and ETH and altcoins and all, so we are just waiting for this moment to come. In fact, when Mr. Richard talking about Bitcoin touches 110,000 a few days ago.
yeah,
So it kind of like touch it and then come down a bit. So that is a good news. That's a good news for everybody because it means that there is the hope of it breaking 110 and climbing towards 120 is coming very soon. And this is certainly very good news for everybody. Yeah, so ETH trading above 3,007. So once it settles on the new what do you call it? Uh, once it settle on a certain line of defense, it can go further up.
yeah. It's the new resistance level. Yeah,
Yeah, the new resistance level.
yeah,
Yeah, so. the moment this new resistance level is solidified,
Yeah,
we can really, I can really hope that it go above 4K, and one fine day you'll reach my 6K target.
but may I share a little bit? The current price of ETS is 2008, and in the slide they say that the 3.7K at the on-chain activity, yeah,
Yeah.
is it's a different prices. Sometimes we got confused. Oh,
Oh yeah.
we see the title. We thought that ETH is 3.7K. Actually, the current price is around 2.8K. Increase around 4 to 5% with the last day yesterday. With the last 7 days, the ETH is also around 4.8%. It means that when the Bitcoins go in a sideways, at that time it's a altcoin season. Yeah, some of the KOL, the YouTuber analysts, they said altcoin season is coming. Yeah, that's why we
Oh, I
need to.
saw something. Sorry to interrupt a little bit. I saw something on Coin 360. You look at BNB. It seems like
Yeah,
BNB is doing pretty well right now. Yeah, so it's been a long time since I see 600 figures on BNB. Yeah.
yeah, that's why. And now back to our slide. With the this this slide it is from the crypto fund news. Yeah, it share information about the it does it say about the Ethereum activity on chains. This means that the people using the Ethereum for some of the token or project. Yeah, uh, in the Ethereum ecosystem. Yeah, especially the Ethereum layer 2. Yeah, it's standardized 6.7x after last week. After last week, 18.80% decline. What is mean? What mean is some of the layer 2 project using doing the activity on the Ethereum ecosystem, and that's why this data showing that some activity on the Ethereum is so crowded now. Like Uniswap, one of the tax decentralized chains on the Ethereum chains working so well. Yeah, that's is a data we want to share. One more thing we got next is Bitcoin's fair value could be as high as 230K. This is data from the Bitwise analyst. Yeah. Um, the Bitwise predict Bitcoin could hit 200,000 by year end of 2025, a potential fair value of the 230,000. Yeah. Based on the Trump proposal tax cuts and rising the U.S. debt, but U.S. debt will position Bitcoin at the hedge against the sovereign default risk. Bitcoin OTT signal suggests a strong momentum after dip to 100,000. Yeah. Nowadays, we see the Bitcoin's price um, going and going. It also depend on the Trump proposal tax cut. Uh, Mr. Nicholas, do you hear about the Trump proposal tax cut and one big beautiful bill Act of Trump?
Okay, the last 1 2 weeks, I've been hearing more on the because I watch a lot of analysts, and they are talking about how the protests in California is affecting a lot of things. So
Uh,
this one big beautiful bill act, I'm not really actually went to read it, but it seems like Trump is pivoting towards BTC in
Yeah.
order to rectify a lot of things. Actually, yeah,
Yeah. That's the thing. That's the reason why Bitcoin could go more and more in value because last week we see there's an argument between Elon Musk and Trump on
yeah,
Twitter X, and then uh, some geopolitics like the riot in LA, US, and that's the thing to let us that the world is in chaos, and some of the international they know that they see it and they keep uh, hatching the some of the
yeah.
safe asset like Bitcoin, like gold, and the other asset. Um, but we see the meta Bitcoin rejection mean the big tech still skeptical. Yeah, uh,
I
this
think I think for this
yeah,
Meta being Facebook, right?
yeah,
So
that's
for them to reject Bitcoin, it's not so much of how what it means to Bitcoin, but it's just so that it's basic to me. The way I see this is that if they quickly or surely accept Bitcoin into the system,
yeah,
uh, they will quickly become a thing of the past very soon, because there are so many big organizations and institutions. They are very much into Bitcoin than Meta. Yeah. So of course, uh, big tech like them, um, I don't know, man. Yeah, because things are moving so fast that if they don't catch on, uh, they are just going to be left behind, right? Yeah. So uh, right from few years ago, we see a lot of this search engine and all. For example, like Brave and all. They have been tagging on all this uh, and relying on blockchain and this crypto and this all this stuff that's going on ever since Bitcoin become more popular. So many of these techs, they pivot onto crypto very quickly, whereas a company like Facebook or Meta, if they quickly catch on, they'll probably lose a lot because there are so many users on Facebook that got no idea what Bitcoin is. But
yeah,
of course, hopefully by now, there should be quite a number of the users who already know what Bitcoin is. But back then, very few people actually understand or even agree to the idea of having investing in Bitcoin. Yeah, mainly because of like what is listed over here. There is liquidity risk, inflation risk, and all. Yeah, so the the confidence of users, Meta users, may, weren't really there. Yeah, of
yeah,
course, it takes quite some time for users like us who are also into crypto, and we have been looking at things in a very positive way. So pe- people are gearing to or rather siding towards crypto and BTC in the last few years more and more. That's why for Meta, their Bitcoin rejection, I think it won't stay long. It probably maybe in the next couple of months they'll start to say, oh yeah, we are onto this project and that Bitcoin project or whatever Bitcoin related project and things like that. Yeah.
But some of the information in the in the article, they also say that uh, if the company want to make a strategic investment in Bitcoin, just like uh, uh, that mean if meta investor want to own Bitcoin, they can buy it themselves. It's not clear what role of a crypto play in any treasury function unless the company doing business in the crypto like Bitcoin. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, and uh, and and the information in our slides is show that there's some of the risk uh, at the Bitcoin as a potential solution here. From it look like the low interest rate risk and some inflation risk when they use Bitcoin as the asset. Yeah, and now we see this slide is about a public company that own Bitcoin today. Yeah, the biggest one is MicroStrategy in US, and we also see some of the company in Canada and in Japan. Yeah, of course, after they after they have the large amount of the Bitcoin holding, the value today now there is increasing when the Bitcoin reach the certain level of the all-time highs. Uh, that is good for the company too. Like MicroStrategy a few years ago, we also don't know uh, the name of this company, but when they have the strategic Bitcoin holding, when the Bitcoin price around 40,000, yeah, they keep buying Bitcoin at 40,000, but Bitcoin go down to 15,000 or 20,000. They also keep buying Bitcoin at the ask price until now. The total value of the company is have the good number. We also want to know how strong of the DCA. This means keep buying daily, weekly, or monthly. It depends on how large of the capital in the company. Yeah. Uh, so nowadays, the MicroStrategy they issue some of so many kind of the of stock in U.S. exchange, yeah, to attract more and more money to DCA to buy crypto, to buy Bitcoin, yeah, um, and uh, and the main the main thing the main value of MicroStrategy as the to to buy as much Bitcoin as they can and bring most of the value to the investor. That's why nowadays the value of the MSTR, the symbol the the symbol stock of MicroStrategy keep increasing from the beginning. Last a few years ago, the price of this stock very low, and now this time is this high certain level. It's also the same as the Tesla. So Tesla buy a little bit amount of the Bitcoin when the Bitcoin price around 40,000, and they sell a little bit and now this the feeling this this the number of crypto Bitcoin is public. They may have some of the other crypto Bitcoin that they um, don't don't let us know. Yeah, we also see the other company in Japan, Meta Planet. Also the names of the meta, they also DCA keep buying now. They reach around 8,000 Bitcoin. It's also a good number. Let us see percentage of the 21 months, the increasing of the crypto, the percentage. It's a good move to let us know that. Back to the Bitcoin charts, the market today. We want to share to our audience about the fear and risk data. Actually, we also have the data of the Anchor system too. Now it's go to 64. Yesterday is neutral about 55, and now it's go to 64. When it's now it's at the Greek level. Greek level is
Yeah,
mean it's
buying
mean
in is a lot of investors are buying in.
yeah, a lot of investors see that
The, the
it's a little
individual investors, they are seeing what the institutions are doing, and they are
yeah
feeling so excited about. I
yeah
mean, you can never not go excited when you see Bitcoin hit 100,000, right?
yeah. We also see how is um, the data of the altcoin. Yeah. Now today, if compares, let me compare one day with one days. Uh, we see Bitcoin still remain sideways at the 110, but the altcoins go up a lot after 24 hours. It means, maybe the altcoin season is coming soon. We go, let's see the crypto bubble. Crypto bubble. Crypto bubble here. With the crypto bubble, we see how Bitcoin of the day is. Yeah. This is all the altcoin has increasing after 24 hours. Yeah, we see the Uniswap activity on the Bitcoin or Fatcoin also. Tengu also increasing. Yeah, this increasing of the on the altcoin um, on the crypto bubble weekly. Yeah, it's good. And let's go to the CoinGecko. We do the portfolio weekly. Uh, yeah, just now let me see log in.
On the okay, yeah,
I just don't know which here. This one daily, weekly. Our portfolio now increasing after 24 hours, changing 3.3%. Yeah, now it's after 24 hours, we got 71 in profits. Yeah, and let's do the DCA weekly in crypto. So let's see. Oh, okay. Uh, yeah, let's. Okay, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, zero. Yeah. For the 3 6. I now I buying $10 each for the this just the demo account, so we can tie in any amount uh, we want. Oh, 16, okay. BNB, Solana, let me buy Solana. The Solana is so potential because it may compare with the Ethereum soon because of the fast and that mean the the fee on chain is very good. Yeah, I also expect the Solana will move good probably. Ripple is also can support for some is soon in the financial edition. Yeah, 2.25. Arbitrum IRP is layer 2 of the Ethereum. Also, the chain link is the layer 2 of the 10, 8, 8, 0 by 0, 7, 6, 64, 63. Oh, okay. The chain link and the last one, ADA, the Canada is one of the good crypto 10, 10, 14. Good move in the value too. Yeah, I have finished do the DCA this week on this live stream today. Yeah, we hope that after let's see after a year how good performance of our DCA. Yeah, and we also go to the end to the end of this early live stream this morning. Yeah, and if you have any question, please let us know. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, do you have something to say to our audience before we complete the live stream?
All right. Whatever we share here is us learning about the market better every day. Yeah. So the little small trading that Mr. Richard has just shown is how typically makes sense to spread out your basket into different coins rather than focus everything on one single coin. Yeah. So thank you all for joining us. We see you in our next live stream.
Yeah, see you in the next live stream. Let me